California is setting the stage for a first-of-its-kind lawsuit against the fossil fuel industry for its decades-long campaign that critics argue deceived the public about the true nature of plastic recycling. The state's Attorney General, Rob Bonta, had this to say about the lawsuit his office filed in San Francisco Superior Court.
We are suing Exxon Mobil for a decades-long campaign of deception in which they perpetuated the lie, the myth, that recycling of plastics, including single-use plastics, is sustainable, is good for the environment. And this case is first of its kind in the nation, holding Exxon Mobil, the largest producer of the raw materials that become our plastic products that we use in our daily lives, accountable for their lies, for their sham solutions, for manipulating the public, for lying to consumers.
This is not the only time the fossil fuel industry has faced legal action regarding pushing deceptive narratives. In September of 2023, Bonta filed suits against Exxon and 4 other major fossil fuel companies, alleging that they engaged in decades of intentional deception surrounding the connection between combustion of fossil fuels and the reality of climate change as a whole. Both lawsuits claim that these campaigns of deceit resulted in harms in the state of California, and they seek disgorgement of profits obtained through these illegal acts. If the state is to win the case, the money would be put in a fund specifically for use in remediating the harms caused by these fossil fuel companies. A win here goes far beyond the state of California, however, as it would dilute the ability for these companies to continue such misleading campaigns, both within the U.S. and abroad. It would also weaken their attempts to strike against a plastic treaty that is currently being formed in the UN.